Hey y'all, we're the Praters and we like working on old cars, but keep in mind, we're just having fun showing you how we do it, not necessarily how it's done. So don't try this at home. Just have fun with us as we get our old projects back on the road. Smurf car is still at the body shop. We got a few things we're gonna get done on it. We'll hit it later, and get back on the little red Falcon, Robert Redford. And what we're doing now is we're gonna replace the rear springs. Right now, what we need to do is take these springs off so we can put the new ones on. And Donnie's over there working on his Explorer, which is a project that he picked up while the winter time was happening. So he's gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on this with Drew, and Anthony's helping us out. So we're gonna see if we can't at least get the axle out and the old springs off so we can put the new springs on.
We're doing over there work on that car. Donnie's doing over here work on this car.
Now I'm going to take these two off. Wrong side. Loose already.
Donnie, what are you doing?
Well, I got my little Explorer, 98 Explorer Sport with a 5-speed manual. And it had a bad misfire, never ran right. Misfire was a foul plug, I cleaned it, gapped it. The misfire went away, but had a bad stumble on acceleration, lacking power. I found an OBD2 scanner. It said that the camshaft position sensor was malfunctioning, or the system wasn't getting an accurate reading. I replaced the camshaft position sensor. 4.0 engines originally started as a distributor style engine with throttle body injection. Well, this is multi-port fuel injection and coil pack electronic ignition. They just put a camshaft sensor where the distributor went, in the back against the firewall, under the intake manifold. And then also a mass airflow sensor, which is the easiest part to replace because it's just 2 clips and a clamp, and you just undo the whole upper air filter housing. This came off of our poor Eugene Explorer, the 98.
Rest in peace, Eugene.
That one fateful December night in 2021, December of 2021, I was coming home from the grill friend's house after putting up their Christmas tree for them. And deer ran out in front of me. I tried evasive maneuvers on dirt road, and I ended up upside down in the ditch, which thankfully I was okay. Unfortunately, poor Eugene did not fare as well. Eugene has now become a parts car for this car that I have not named yet.
What you doing, fada? What are you doing?
I was trying to get the shock absorber to come undone, but Drew found where the shock absorber is.
I'm okay. I had it. Hold on. You will bend to my...
Like now.
This is your torture, your agony, your pain, your journey, your adventure.
Well, you know the song, right?
What song?
Everybody hurts.
Yeah. Shut up, or we might get copyrighted, and this could belong to REM.
It's not copyrighted when I sing it.
No.
It's copyrighted.
Alright, I got all the parts installed. I got my jump box attached because the battery in it is bad, and we're gonna see how well it runs. It ran okay before, but once it got warmed up, it was acceleration that was bad.
Look at that.
So far, it has the mass airflow sensor, camshaft positioning sensor, and throttle position sensor off of our old Explorer, which ran perfectly. Let's see what happens. Let it warm up. It does seem a bit smoother. That's good.
Ow! Dogs. Tiny dog. I'm gonna stick it to him. Can't reach him. I can't stick it to him.
Where's the nut that came off of this bolt right here? You're gonna need it. That's all I needed right there.
Your doggy, how do you feel?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
There we go.
You don't have to tilt it that much for it to hit the tank. Yeah, right there is perfect. Alright, stop. Alright, now you're good.
Oh, nice rear end. Ta-da!
It's not.
Now, we take the springs off and put the new ones on. After we clean the inside of that rear end real good. Thanks, guys. Great job.